My name is Rudami. I would like to schedule an appointment with the marketing team to discuss an order for 15 seat office desks and chair as well as to talk about payment.
Sure, Mr. Ani, when more in what to do?
This Wednesday, May 21, 2025 at 2 p.m. available for the appointment.
Let me check the schedule for a moment, yes. I'm available on that day and time. Would you like to come to our office or would you prefer an online meeting?
I will come the Pedagogic Silosa office.
But I have not your appointment for Wednesday, May 21, 2025 at 2 p.m. at our office. Please bring any necessary document to ensure our discussion was smoothly.
Thank you. I will be there on time.
Listening, we look forward to seeing you on Wednesday.
See you then. Thank you.